I'm Lance Davidson with Chesco RV, and this is Rockwood 8324SB. First, you have a power tongue deck on the very front end, two 30-pound propane bottles. See that you have your electric stabilization underneath, that's automatic leveling for you. Two entrances to get inside of the unit. The kitchen straight ahead of you. You have the bench seat and the two freestanding chairs. You have the front living room with a pull-out sofa bed on both sides. You have the recliners right here in the front. And then you have the entertainment center. In the back here is the bathroom, the bedroom. Once again, I'm Lance Davidson with Chesco RV. If you have any other questions or need any other help, please give me a call. My phone is 410-679-0000. I'll talk to you later.